First of all, AEA stands for the Area Education Agency, which would be our intermediate agencies. And in Iowa, we now have 9. One time we had 15, but there's been merging, so now we have 9. And very simply, an AEA resolution facilitator process is a mediation that would be obtained by going directly through the AEA. At each of the AEAs, then we have AEA resolution facilitator coordinators. And there will be, sometimes the AEA will have 1 or 2 or 3. And then the coordinators then can have a cadre of AEA resolution facilitators to assist then as they go through mediation. The AEA resolution facilitator process is for not only special ed, it can be used for 504, it can be used for general education, or it can be used for Part C. It is managed kind of by the state in that we want to have a statewide system. So we now have quarterly meetings that we at the state try to get organized then with all the coordinators and anybody else who would like to attend. Working on guides. Now we have a wonderful, wonderful guide for the AEA resolution facilitators that outlines from the beginning to before, during, and after. It has everything that anybody would ever need. And it is, the beauty of the AEA resolution facilitator process is it is based on, first of all, having a well-informed group of individuals, including parents and educators and others, that would have the skills to address conflict and either prevent it or to deal it once you have it. And that is the foundation. If it's not always our goal because we have the system in place that it be used. Sometimes it's simply because somebody thinks they want to use it, so then maybe there'll be a contact to the AEA resolution facilitator coordinator for that AEA. And simply because the contact has been made, that coordinator might know how, what I call, work his or her magic, and then start doing some things, and things will be resolved. So it doesn't always mean that there's even going to be the formal AEA resolution facilitator process or that mediation there, but it is a way of getting things resolved at a much earlier level instead of using the state.